All right, class. Today we are going to be creating our H or heading tags and our P or paragraph tags. So let's create a new replit, and I'm going to call this H and P tags. Okay. So notice how when I create a new replit, it imports all of this information for us. We don't even ever need to write out our doc type, our head, our HTML tags. It does all that for us. But right here within the body, I'm going to delete anything there. And what I'm going to do is I am going to change, actually, I'm going to change this title tag here to say H and P tags. Okay. Let's go back to our body now. And what I'm going to do is let's start with a heading tag. So just like when I'm working in Microsoft Word and I want to make a heading, I bold it and it's bigger than the rest. So we do that same concept within web development. So to create a heading, I'd use H and then a number. Well, there are 6 different numbers here. I have H1 through 6. So if I do an H1, this is our biggest heading. So I'm just going to say Mr. Kempke. All right. And then our heading tags require a closing tag. So we do a/H1. And then if I run it, I get this very big heading. Well, let's take a look at the different sizes. So I'll just do 3. So if I do an H3 instead and do the exact same text, Mr. Kempke, and I do a /H3 now, and I run this, notice how it's slightly smaller. And then if I do a H6, exact same text as Mr. Kempke, and I do a /H6 to close out, and we have our 3 different sizes if Replit wants to load. Sometimes it can take it a second. There we go. And those are our 3 different sizes. Notice how the H1 is our biggest and H6 is our smallest. Well, those are our heading tags. Well, just like in Microsoft Word, we also need paragraphs. And how we do that is we use a P tag. So I'm going to do a P, and then I'm going to say this is a paragraph. Okay, and then I do a /P to close it out. So I have my opening and my closing tag that creates the entire paragraph element. All right, and then if we run it over here, notice how it shows up as this is a paragraph. I'm going to just jumble some words here now. Nothing crazy. Just me smashing the keyboard. But it creates our paragraphs. So we use H1 elements to make big, H6 elements to make small headings, and then we use paragraph elements to create paragraphs within our text. And so we have our H tags or heading tags and our P tags. Okay, and that is it for today.